Okay, so now we're gonna be working the 5-yard square in. Now, the 5-yard square in is going to be broken off of 4 total steps, or the second outside step. And for the receiver, they're gonna be giving a 2-step break to break in for their route. And the 5-yard in, unlike the slant route, is not going to be broken at any sort of an angle. They're going to be completely flat across the field. As a quarterback, it's our job to lead them with our throw flat across the field and not lead them up the field. So for the 5-yard square in route from the shotgun, I'm going to be taking a 1-step drop footwork, just like the rest of my quick game. I'm going to be taking a slight angled drop as well here. I'm not going to be as flat as I would be for the out or the hitch. It's going to be a lot more similar to the slant in terms of where I set my angle, because the catch point is pretty similar. So the 5-yard in route is another one of those throws that is a free access throw. So as soon as I take that 1-step drop and get loaded on my backside, I need to be in a position immediately to be able to throw the ball right out of their break. So again, I'm going to be taking that slight angled drop, getting loaded onto my backside, and delivering the ball, making sure that I'm leading the receiver flat down the line and not up the field. So hot.